In order for multiple users to collaborate on a single document simultaneously, what you need to do is you need to, first of all, share the document with others. So in my case, I'm just going to go around and create a blank document and share this with others. So this is sharing and collaborating, let's say, for example. So I'm just going to go around and type in some title right here, collaborating. Okay, sharing, collaborating, just like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the share button, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and add in the person who I want to collaborate with. In my case, this is going to be the second account. So I'm going to give them the editor privileges, and then I'm going to hit send. So once I do that, they'll be able to access that out right there from their account. So they'll be able to access it out just like this. And what they will be able to do is they'll be able to edit simultaneously. And as they click around and make changes, you can see where they're making changes. For example, if they decide to add a new slide, for example, you can see that without me doing anything, you can see what they're working on. So they're working on something, and if you want to track down what they're working with, you can go on to the top, and here you can see that this is the other person who's accessing the content right now. If I were to click on it, the exact place where they are making the changes is seen. So they can go ahead and they can make the changes. And what you can do is simultaneously you can go around, add some slide, you can make the changes, and they will be able to do the same with your activity right here by clicking over here. And that is how you can simultaneously collaborate on this same slide. So everything is real time. So if they make the changes, if they do something, then it gets changed on the same document. So even what is possible is that they can keep on making the changes, and then you can present to others as well, and the changes are dynamic. And that is how you can collaborate on the same slide, even if you are far away apart by use of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.